Hey guys, Bridgie here, and in this video I want to talk about tables and specifically how you can make the experience of making a table in Figma from painful to enjoyable. Now there is this plugin which I am going to share right here. It's called Table Creator, and I recently found out about it, and it's been such a game changer because you can very easily create tables by utilizing a template. So I'm just going to go and create a template. So basically the way it works is quite simple. You have these components which are going to be created, and at the bare minimum you're going to have to select this how many rows and columns do you want in the table. So for example, here we have 4 columns and 3 rows. You can also decide the width and the height, which is by default set in this case at 496. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply create a table right here below. And as you can see, we have the table, which in essence, it's an auto layout element, which is already predefined, pre-created. You can see that the row is a master component. So you can basically adjust the master component row, and then it's going to have ripple effects on the instances which are here below. But in essence, it's quite simple. So you can literally go over here. You can start typing and basically adjust, this table as you wish. So very, very simple, nothing too fancy going on. And if we go and have a look at the instructions that are giving, basically they're saying this component is a template used by table creator to create tables from. And you can customize rows by adjusting and changing this base component, which is the one which I mentioned over here. So we have this component and you can customize the cell borders by changing these components, creating variants for different types of cells, icons, drop downs, ratings. So you have quite a bit of flexibility when it comes to it. But in essence, it's just a very quick and easy way to create and customize your table components as you wish. So definitely one of those tools that you might want to keep in mind in your design arsenal. So this is pretty much it for this quick tutorial. Be sure to check out the free design resources in the link in the description if you want to learn more about design from a designer with over a decade of experience. See you in the next video.